MC here. This is the complaint. My house air conditioner doesn't quite cool the way it used to last year. You have grass growing up around it, stomp that stuff down. If you've got a drip edge with ice that possibly can fall down, take a look at your line. This particular one has that problem. So what that's doing is kinking the flow and restricting it. So we're going to try to straighten that out with a pair of these channel locks. We know what channel locks are now, thanks to New York Outcast, because he had a little pole. The blue handles are usually the giveaway. Alright, well, that's probably as good as we're going to get it for now. It's kind of square instead of flat. So, when the weather's hot, think of your HVAC guy, because he's working on the weekends to keep you cool.